So if you do this kind of activity and you don't believe in Second Amendment, then you're always going to be stressful. Once you shoot something like this, you're stress-free. You just feel
What does that word stress mean?
What is a stress?
I forgot. I forgot.
Dude, I feel so relaxed. I feel so relieved now.
This is my idea of a spa.
Yeah. Men's spa. That's
there
where it
you
is.
go.
Hell yeah. America. Now this is very relaxing activity. I highly recommend doing this. It feels awesome. Let's see what we do. Hell yeah. Alright, that's not bad at all. This one, that's mine. And then I was aiming for the center. I got 9. Okay, it's not bad. Not bad at all.
Yeah.
So how far is this? Now I'm gonna shoot the
100 feet, so remember, go like 1 click down. You could probably even do 2 clicks down.
Gotcha.
Try 1 click
Here,
down.
you're the camera. This is stress reliever. This is stress. It's like the
No.
Oh, I got it. Yeah.
All right.
I'm aiming for the head. For the.
Yeah. Go 1 click down. Here, rechamber it. Let me see. To go. Just go 1 click down. Nice.
That's it.
Is it out?
Yep.
Okay. Let that heater.
So now we decided to use the 9mm pistol. This one is. This is how you grab it. Don't worry, I got it. This is M&P, right?
Yeah.
No serial number.
Just gotta make sure, yeah.
M&P shield. This is M&P shield, 9mm. So we're gonna shoot this now, and you see how big my hand is. That's definitely not for me. I have a Sig and Sauer 9mm, so that thing is. Anyway.
That's a concealed carry gun.
Yeah, that is concealed carry, but that, oh man, that was so much fun shooting. You will you won't understand that feeling unless you just go and try it, you know? Like,
And if you're anti-gun, I say go shoot and then make the decision.
exactly.
If you've never shot, then don't say anything.
That's a 9mm Fiocchi. How many rounds you put in that? 10?
6.
6?
These are 7s and that's a 6.
I
It's a
can do
compact
18
gun.
on mine. Alright. Take the magnet off.
Here.
I'll take care of it, don't worry. Good. Not bad.
With each other, but you want to put your focus on this sight. You want to take in regards to the sight, but you want your primary focus to be on the front sight. And don't close the other eye, your non-dominant eye, just kind of wing it.
That's a 15 round magazine. It goes so fast.
Yeah.
It goes fast. Like, see how you like it. Not bad. Let's see.
I haven't tried aiming for this, and I was hitting that, but that,
Yeah, you got 3 in a row.
yeah, grouping is tight.
Wow. Not bad, not bad.
Okay, now it's recording.
Welcome to America!
I come to America!
Second Amendment! Very important. Second Amendment. Extremely important right. A lot of Americans don't understand. What is Second Amendment? It's like a man's spot where you can protect your family, protect your home, and just enjoy it. It's a very good activity. So I'll show you how I do this. And we're gonna blow some things.
Here. You're up. You're rolling. Live in 5. go for the headshot. What's up, Jay? Yeah, I mean, yeah, you're hitting. The last one for the headshot. This one.
I don't know why I went to the left. I don't know.
One thing I noticed there.
All right. I can see what you did. You did some good damage.
Yeah, I'm pushing to the left. I gotta figure out why I'm pushing to the left.
You're pushing there to the left. But look, you got close.
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna get my heater.
All right, you get. Yeah. Do you want another target or?
Yeah. Let me get a different target.